Speaking English fluently is a dream for many people, but most learners think it's too difficult. The truth is, fluency is not about being perfect. It's about practicing the right way. In this video, I'll share 7 simple steps that can transform your English. If you follow these steps daily, you will definitely become more confident and fluent. So stay with me until the end. Step 1. Listen to English. The first step to learning any language is listening. Just like you learned your mother tongue by listening to it daily, you must listen to English every day. Watch English lectures, Islamic talks in English, or listen to podcasts without music. While listening, pay attention to how words are pronounced and how sentences are formed. Step 2. Practice daily sentences. Start with small daily life sentences. For example, I am going to the market. Please give me water. I will call you later. These simple sentences build the foundation of fluency. Step 3. Mirror practice. Stand in front of a mirror and talk to yourself in English. Describe your daily routine in simple words. For example, I woke up early today. I had breakfast. Now I am studying. This practice removes hesitation and increases confidence because you are not afraid of making mistakes. Step 4. Avoid using very. Using a word very again and again makes your English weak. Instead, use stronger words. Very good, excellent, very bad, terrible, very happy, delighted. These small changes make your English sound smarter. Step 5. Develop a reading habit. Read a little bit of English every day. It could be news, articles, or simple storybooks. While reading, underline new words and write them in your notebook. Even if you learn 5 new words a day, in 1 month you will know 150 new words. Step 6. Avoid common grammar mistakes. Many learners make small but common grammar mistakes. He goes to school. I agree. Don't worry about perfect grammar in the beginning. Focus more on fluency. Accuracy will improve with practice. Step 7. Practice with people. English is a skill, and skills improve with practice. Speak with friends, siblings, or language partners in English. If no one is available, record your voice while speaking English. Later, listen to the recording and notice your mistakes. This is one of the fastest ways to improve. These were the 7 simple steps to speak English fluently. Remember, fluency doesn't come in one day. But if you make these steps part of your daily life, you will see real improvement. Now tell me in the comments, which step will you start practicing today? And don't forget to subscribe for more English learning videos.